subtract the limits. So, makuha ko yung ito. Next is, remember this one. This is a constant for group 1. For group 2, iba na naman siya. For group 3, iba siya. So, this is a constant for group 1. Next is, you multiply this with this to get this. So, it gets this, diba? Then the next step is multiply this. Multiply this with this, and then add to this to get this. 4%. Nakuha. So same steps. Ito, this. Multiply this to this. Then add to this to get this. So nag-aana-ana na siya. Okay? And then it's only 60% except for these two right here. Sige, example to illustrate the ano. So example natay project cost is at 150 million. Project type is group 1. Service is DAEDS. Compute for the minimum basic fee. So how do we compute? So napag-reason ako. 150 million, project type, group 1 DAEDS, service type. Okay, so ganun na lang punta sa Lucas. Okay, so PCC is 150 million. Group 1, that's 5%. 5% since DAEDS. 5% DAEDS. Okay, so balikan na to ang table. Asa na belong ang ato ang project? It's at 150 million. So it's here. It's here. So the computation will be 4.5 plus 3% plus 3% in excess of 100 million. So the equation is RPF is equal to 4.5 plus 3% in excess of 100 M. Okay, so ang project na to is 150 million. So what is in excess of 100 M? 50 million. So automatic plus 3% of 50 million. And then that's 4.5 million na siya na yun. So our RPF is pila man? 4.5 plus pila? 50 times 3%. It's 6 million. Naka-follow? Yes, sir. So that's how much we get from this project. Pero recall, nasa 6 million, 60% goes to the architect, 40% goes to the engineers. Okay, so yun nga na siya. Because it's DAEDS. Ayan. Minimum basic fee is 6 million. Diba, easy lang mag-compute ko gano'n. Next! Group 2, building types with moderate complexity. So, di na ako isa-isahon. Okay? So, remember na lang the building types under this. Okay, so ang dami nila. Buildings of moderate complexity of plan and design requiring a moderate amount of research and engineering.